Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the wonders of the world around us. Have you ever stopped to think about where your food comes from? It's not just about picking items off the shelves at the grocery store or grabbing a quick bite at a restaurant. It's pretty amazing when you consider all the steps involved in getting food from the farm to your fork. From planting seeds and nurturing crops, to harvesting, processing, and finally delivering it to your local market. Food is essential for life. It's not just about satisfying hunger, it's about fueling our bodies with the right nutrients to keep us healthy and strong. It gives us the energy to learn, play, and grow. Think about the energy kids need to run around the playground, or the focus students need to excel in their studies. Just like a car needs fuel, our bodies need food to function. Without the right kind of fuel, our bodies can't perform at their best. Without food, we wouldn't have the energy to do the things we love. Whether it's playing sports, engaging in hobbies, or working efficiently at our jobs, food is the key to maintaining our energy levels. We need a variety of foods to get all the nutrients our bodies need. Each food group provides different essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to our overall health. These nutrients help us build strong bones, muscles, and brains. For example, calcium from milk strengthens our bones, while proteins from meat and legumes help build and repair muscles. So next time you sit down for a meal, take a moment to appreciate the journey your food has taken. From the hard work of farmers to the intricate processes of food preparation, it's a journey worth acknowledging. It's a fascinating journey, and it all starts with understanding the importance of food resources. By appreciating this journey, we can make more informed choices about what we eat and how it impacts our health and the environment. Supporting local farmers and choosing fresh, seasonal produce not only benefits our health, but also supports the community and promotes sustainable farming practices. Remember, every meal begins with a seed. The next time you enjoy a delicious meal, think about the incredible journey from seed to plate and the vital role food plays in our lives. Now, imagine you're baking a cake for a party. You carefully measure out the ingredients, mix them together, and pour the batter into a pan. You put it in the oven, and soon the delicious aroma fills the kitchen. If more and more people keep showing up, you'll need a bigger cake, right? You might have to bake another one or find a way to make the existing cake stretch further. The more guests you have, the more cake you need to satisfy everyone. The same idea applies to feeding the world. As the global population increases, the demand for food also rises. It's like needing a bigger cake for a growing number of guests. India, with its vast and diverse population, faces the challenge of feeding more people every year. The streets are bustling, markets are crowded, and cities are expanding. Each new person adds to the demand for food. As the population grows, so does the demand for food. This is evident in the rising graphs and charts that show how quickly the population is increasing and how much more food is needed to keep up. More people means we need to produce more food to ensure everyone has enough to eat. Farmers are working harder than ever, using modern technology to increase their yields and make farming more efficient. This is a big task, but it's one that we can tackle with science and innovation. Scientists are developing new farming techniques, and technology like drones is helping monitor crops more effectively. By understanding the connection between population growth and food demand, we can work towards a future where everyone has access to nutritious meals. Families can enjoy healthy food together, and researchers can continue to find new ways to meet the growing needs of our world. India has a long and rich history of agriculture. Over the years, there have been remarkable advancements in how we produce food. One of the most significant changes was the Green Revolution, which started in the 1960s. This revolution introduced high-yielding varieties of crops, especially wheat and rice. The Green Revolution significantly increased food production in India. Another revolution, the White Revolution, focused on increasing milk production. By introducing new technologies and practices, India became one of the world's largest producers of milk. These revolutions highlight the power of science and technology in transforming agriculture and improving food security. Just like we need a balanced diet to stay healthy, plants need a balanced diet of nutrients to grow strong and produce food. Nutrient management is all about providing crops with the right nutrients at the right time. This involves using fertilizers wisely and understanding the specific needs of different crops. Water is another crucial element for plant growth. Irrigation systems like canals, wells, and sprinklers help deliver water to crops, especially in areas with limited rainfall. By carefully managing nutrients and water, farmers can significantly increase crop yields and ensure healthy plant growth. Section 5. The Dance of Seasons. Crop rotation and its benefits. Imagine eating the same meal every day. Boring, right? Not only would it be monotonous, but it would also lack the variety of nutrients your body needs to stay healthy. Plants feel the same way about nutrients. Just like us, they need a diverse diet to thrive. Crop rotation is a farming technique where different crops are grown in the same field over different seasons. This practice has been used for centuries and is a cornerstone of sustainable agriculture. This helps maintain soil fertility and reduces the risk of pests and diseases. When the same crop is planted repeatedly, it depletes specific nutrients and attracts pests that thrive on that crop. For example, a farmer might plant corn one season followed by beans the next. Corn is a heavy feeder, consuming a lot of nitrogen, while beans are legumes that can fix nitrogen back into the soil. Each crop has different nutrient needs, so rotating them helps prevent the soil from becoming depleted. This practice also disrupts the life cycles of pests and diseases, making it harder for them to establish. Crop rotation is a simple yet effective way to improve soil health and increase crop yields over time. By diversifying the crops grown, farmers can create a more resilient agricultural system that benefits both the environment and their bottom line. Additionally, crop rotation can enhance biodiversity on the farm, promoting a healthier ecosystem. It encourages beneficial insects and microorganisms that contribute to soil health. Educating the next generation about these practices is crucial for the future of farming. Understanding the importance of crop rotation can lead to more sustainable and productive agricultural practices worldwide. In the end, crop rotation is not just about growing different crops. It's about nurturing the land, ensuring long-term productivity, and fostering a sustainable future for all. Section 6. Protecting our bounty. Pest control and grain storage. Pests like insects and rodents can be a major problem for farmers. They can damage crops in the field and infest stored grains. Pest control methods, such as using natural predators or targeted pesticides, help protect crops from these unwanted visitors. Proper grain storage is equally important. After harvest, grains need to be stored in clean, dry conditions to prevent spoilage and infestation. By implementing effective pest control and storage methods, we can minimize food losses and ensure that the food we grow reaches those who need it. Section 7. Beyond the field, animal husbandry and food security. Animal husbandry plays a vital role in food security. It involves the care and management of livestock, such as cattle, poultry, and fish. Cattle farming provides us with milk, meat, and leather. Fish farming, also known as aquaculture, is a rapidly growing industry that helps meet the increasing demand for seafood. Beekeeping is another important aspect of animal husbandry. Bees not only produce honey, but also play a crucial role in pollination, which is essential for many fruits and vegetables. By improving animal husbandry practices, we can enhance the production of these valuable food sources. Section 8. Farming with nature, organic and sustainable practices. Organic farming is like giving our planet a big hug. It's a way of farming that avoids the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. Instead, organic farmers rely on natural methods like composting, crop rotation, and natural pest control. Sustainable farming practices aim to produce food in a way that doesn't harm the environment and conserves natural resources for future generations. This includes using water and energy efficiently, reducing waste, and protecting biodiversity. Section 9. A Tapestry of Life. Intercropping and mixed farming. Intercropping is like creating a beautiful garden with a mix of different plants. It involves growing 2 or more crops together in the same field. This method helps control pests, improve soil fertility, and maximize land use. Mixed farming combines crop production with livestock rearing. For example, a farmer might grow crops to feed their animals and use animal manure as fertilizer. This integrated approach promotes sustainability and reduces waste. Section 10. Sowing the seeds for tomorrow. Sustainable food security. Understanding the concepts of food resources, population growth, and sustainable farming is essential for creating a food-secure future. By embracing science and innovation, we can produce enough food to feed everyone while protecting our planet. Remember, every little bit counts. By making conscious choices about the food we eat and supporting sustainable farming practices, we can all contribute to a healthier and more sustainable world. So, let's work together to ensure that everyone has access to nutritious and affordable food, both now and in the future. Stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of science.